Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have base module 500 Bose, and in this video, I'm going to show it to you the location of the screws if you are planning to open this speaker, and you can see here where are those screws are located. Please watch the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless.